Alright, so this is going to be a Costco sale item review of this Ida, Oregon, and Idaho extra crispy fast food fries. Alright, price of this normally $9.99 or $10. It was $3 off, so basically $7. Okay, let's take a look here. Potatoes done perfect since 1952. 100% real potatoes. Alright. 27 pieces. Okay, we're gonna look at the nutrition facts later. Net weight 6 pounds, 2.72 kilograms. Keep frozen and cook thoroughly. Right? Hopefully these cook well in the air fryer because that's how I'm gonna be cooking them. Extra crispy. Is there a best by date on here? Okay. Best if used by November 19th, 2024. We bought this on October 21st, 2023. So it lasts about a year and a month. Okay. Right? Okay, so nutrition facts. Here you go. 32 servings per container. Serving size 3 ounces, 84 grams, about 27 pieces. Calories 130. 7 grams fat, 9%. 1 gram saturated fat, 6%. 450 milligrams of sodium, 19%. Carbs, 17 grams, 6%. Less than 1 gram of dietary fibers, 3%. Total sugars, less than 1 gram. No added sugars. 2 grams of protein. There is 0.6 milligrams of iron, 4%. And potassium, 300 milligrams, 6%. Okay, ingredients are potatoes, vegetable oil blend, which is soybean and cottonseed. Then there's modified food starch, rice flour, salt, dextrin, cornstarch, annatto color, sodium acid pyrophosphate to retain natural color, dextrose, leavening, sodium acid pyrophosphate, sodium bicarbonate, and xanthan gum. Okay, there's a QR code there. I don't know if you'll be able to scan it, but you can get more information if you want, and a phone number. Okay, so they have their commitment to high quality. You can call them and go online or write to them. During any mealtime, Ida potatoes are the right side to have on your side. Ida believes in potatoes done perfect, and it has since 1952. We believe that taste and quality matter, so that's why we work tirelessly to bring you and your family to the best and fresh tasting potatoes, all grown locally in the USA. With our perfect extra crispy fast food fries, you get the crispy outer texture and fluffy inside you need to turn any family meal into a success. So next time you're thinking about what to make, remember that Ida potatoes are the perfect companion to winning at mealtime. Okay, US grown potatoes. There's a UPC code there. And another QR code. I'm not sure what that one is. But if you want, you can try and scan that. Okay, so easy prep. So, they don't have air fry method. Oh no, I'm going to try air frying it anyways. Alright, easy prep baking. Keep frozen, do not overcook. Appliance temperatures may vary. Please consider performance of your appliance when following the directions. Oven, half tray, instructions, serves about 5. Preheat oven to 450 Fahrenheit. Arrange frozen fries in a single layer on an 11 by 17 inch baking sheet. Heat for 9 to 12 minutes. Cook to a light golden color. Season to taste. Full tray serves about 8 people. Preheat oven to 450. Arrange frozen french fries in a single layer on a 11 by 17 baking sheet. Heat for 11 to 15 minutes. Cook to a light golden color. Season to taste. Here's the frying methods. Okay. Ice crystals. So caution, ice crystals on frozen foods can cause splattering when added to hot oil. Add product carefully. Tips for frying with oil. Always preheat oil uncovered. If oil splatters, cover immediately and reduce heat. When splattering stops, remove, cover, and return to cooking temperature. Be careful not to splatter or spill oil onto hot burner of range. Pan fry. Heat half cup cooking oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Carefully add frozen french fries to form a single layer. Fry 5 to 8 minutes, turning frequently. Cook to a light golden color. Drain on paper towel. Season to taste. Alright, if you deep fry it, preheat cooking oil in electric deep fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Deep fryer. Fill deep fryer not more than half full of oil. Fill fryer basket not more than half full of frozen french fries. Carefully lower basket into hot oil. Fry 1.5 to 3 minutes. Cook to a light golden color. Drain on paper towel. Season to taste. Alright, I'm probably going to put it in my air fryer at the highest, like 390 degrees. And we'll probably let it go for I don't know, 5 to 10 minutes. We'll see. I'm going to pour some in there, and I'll see you guys there. Alright, so I don't want to cook too many of them, but here they are, and they actually look cut like McDonald's fries, so let's see. I usually don't see like frozen fries that are cut thin to be like McDonald's fries. Usually they're thicker, so let's see how they go in the air fryer. They didn't give air frying as an option, so we'll see. But this one says to fry for like 1.5 to 3 minutes. I'm gonna say maybe like 5-6 minutes in the air fryer, and we'll see how it goes. Alright, so we'll see you guys when the 5 minutes are up. Alright, so it finished. I don't know if they're crispy enough yet. Bunch of steam came out when I first opened it, but let's see. Yeah, these are good. Let me pour them into a plate or something, or actually, I'm just gonna eat them out of here, because why would I want to make more dishes for myself? Anyways. I'm gonna actually air fry it a little more, like a minute or two, but these, I can already tell these are really good. Alright, so 2 minutes might have been too much. I stopped it 30 seconds early. You can see they're a lot darker now. Actually, in the picture they look better, but I think I overdid them now. But yeah. Ooh, they're hot. So let me let them cool down a bit, then we'll dig in. Alright, let's give it a try. Yeah, now I made them extra crispy. But yeah, these are good fries. I would say they're very comparable to like McDonald's or something. Yeah, definitely recommend giving these a try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.